This guide is about fixing Binkw32.DLL missing, and other similar errors. We have tried to cover every possible solution in this tutorial. We fixed this error on a laptop running Windows 11. This fixing process is pretty similar for Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, and if the game supports Windows XP. This tutorial is aimed at helping gamers facing the Binkw32.DLL missing error with old classic games like Hitman, Blood Money, and others. Bink is part of Rad Game Tools, which is basically a video codec. This video codec is designed for games that provide high compression and fast rendering. Rad Game Tools consist of a set of dynamic link library files, also known as DLL files. Binkw32.DLL is among DLL files. If the Binkw32.DLL file is missing on your copy of Windows or game, you come across Binkw32.DLL and other error-similar messages. We will share 4 solutions to fix Binkw32.DLL missing and other similar errors. We watched YouTube videos and read tutorial articles. We tested all of the suggested solutions and found these 4 solutions effective. Many problems and errors can be fixed by restarting, close your game, and then relaunch it. Try rebooting your computer if relaunching the game does not help. The simple solution to the missing Binkw32.DLL error is placing this DLL file in the required folder. But the problem is that DLL files downloaded from the internet could contain viruses, ransomware, or malware, and often this method will not work. Fixing this frustrating error with the Bink video codec is a simple, safe, and effective solution. If not already have, install WinRAR, 7-zip, or any other such software. You may find the download link in the video description. We have WinRAR installed, and we will use it to extract the Bink video codec installer. Download Bink video codec, the link is in the description. Please note down the password. The password is RAD in capital letters. After downloading it, extract Bink video codec. Type the password. After extract, launch the installer. Installation is complete, the error should be fixed. Make sure your device has DirectX installed. Download and install the required or latest version of DirectX. Whether you are using a DVD or have downloaded the game from the internet, there is a folder that contains all the required components. Locate the folder and install the components. In many cases, uninstalling and reinstalling games that need this DLL file has effectively fixed this error. If you have made any progress in your favorite game, back up your saved games, user profile files, etc. These files are usually found in your Documents folder. For better results, we suggest using a third-party software uninstaller to completely uninstall games installed from CDs or DVDs. Revo Uninstaller, Soft Organizer, iObit Uninstaller are among the best software uninstallers. The same applies to Steam, Epic Gaming, and other online game distribution services. Hopefully, it will fix the error. The missing Binkw32.DLL error and your graphics card have nothing to do with each other. This error does not appear if your device has a low-end or unsupported graphics card. Updating and installing missing graphics card drivers is just as important as having a graphics card to play games. However, there is no link between graphics card drivers and this annoying error. Hopefully, one of the suggested solutions has been effective for you to fix this error. We hope you can now play your favorite game with no errors. You can ask Team Soft Suggester If we could not correctly explain any crucial points, we will try our best to assist you. Use the comment section for leaving questions, suggestions, and feedback.
More info and download links can be found on softsuggester.com. Subscribe to Software Geek for more useful videos, and ring bell button for the latest updates.